Alright, welcome back, Android developers. In this video, we're going to go ahead and learn about how to add images to a view. So we're going to go ahead and create our brand new project. So File, New Project. I'm going to call it Image Views. Change this to Image Views as well. And next, that's fine. Next. Gonna want a blank one next. That's all good. And Android Studio is gonna start creating our new image views project. Alright, so here we are back. Our project has been created and we're ready to roll. Okay, so let's get rid of this as usual. You probably are way ahead of me now because you've been doing this for a while now. Alright, so delete that. Okay, so in order for us to add images into our apps, our views, it's very simple. If you look here in our palettes here, you will notice there is image view here. So if we take this, drag over and put in the middle, just click out of that, you notice that we do have our image view here, even though there's nothing there and it looks really small. Let's go to text here and let's give it a set width. Let's say we want it to be 350 dp by 350 dp. This is just so we actually can see the area where our image is gonna live pretty soon as we're rendering everything. And there we go. It's pretty big, but you get the idea. I went ahead and got an image. So on my desktop here I have this apple.png. So before we go any further, let's go ahead and change our directory view here. Let's go to project. So we have our root folder, and click here and go to app, go to source, go to main, resource, and you see all of our different drawables here. So if we then go take our image here and let's say we want to put here, and you see it says move file and just say okay, just okay, and there it is. Now notice that our apple.image is actually included into our project now. Perfect. Let's go put it back here. So now that we have into our drawables, we have a few ways to do this. As we have discussed before, you could either go through the design here, the properties, but this time let's go into our XML text code here so I can show you how to do this. Very simple. What you do, you just say Android background, and then to access our drawable image, you just say add. You can see already it's populating everything that we need. Drawable, because that's an image, and you just say Apple. That's all. And notice there is no extension here .png. You just call the name of the image. If you save this and go to design, and guess what? There it is, our apple. Perfect. And if we go back here, what we could do then, if we just say wrap, back to wrap content, so it's more flexible, it's not set, and save, you'll see the difference here. The image will rescale itself because now we're saying it's wrap content for layout width and height, which just means, well, go ahead and use as much space as you need. Let's run this. Okay, we choose device, continue. Alright, there it is. There we have our app running. You can see there's that big apple there. Great. Now let's see, since we've learned a lot of things here, let's see if we can also put a text view here at the bottom so that when it runs, it just goes and says apple or something here, right? Let's say medium text. Let's put here at the bottom, out of that, and here we can say, let's go to add string apple name. We haven't created this, so let's go to our strings here, values, strings. You've done this a few times now, so string name, copy that, paste that there, and call apple is good. Go here, that's good. We go to that's wonderful, apple is good, and let's run again. And it's running again, and there it is. Here it is. It says here at the bottom, Apple is good. Perfect. Great. So in this video, you'll learn how to go ahead and create an image view and import image, put in your drawable, and then display that image on your image view. And then we also added a text at the bottom that say Apple is good. Great. In the next video, we're going to learn how to make that image clickable so that we can then use event listeners to display something when you tap on that image. See you in the next video.